Electronic waste is growing rapidly, and many people are still unsure what to do with outdated devices. Municipal e-waste drives and public awareness campaigns can help communities turn that uncertainty into responsible action. In this video, we will explore how accessible collection programs, education, and community participation can help create a more sustainable approach to managing electronics. Electronic devices have become an essential part of everyday life. Smartphones keep us connected, computers support work and education, and televisions, gaming systems, printers, tablets, and countless other devices are now common in homes and businesses. As technology continues to evolve, however, these products are replaced more frequently, creating a growing challenge when they are no longer needed. Many people are unsure how to manage outdated electronics. Old computers often end up stored in closets, broken televisions remain in garages, and unused phones collect dust in drawers. Other items, such as keyboards, routers, cables, and accessories, are forgotten simply because people do not know the proper way to dispose of them. In some cases, these electronics are thrown away with household trash, even though they may still be repairable, reusable, or contain valuable materials that can be recovered. Community-based e-waste programs help solve this problem by making responsible disposal easier. Municipal collection drives, combined with public education, give residents convenient opportunities to recycle electronics while helping them understand why responsible technology management benefits both the community and the environment. Municipal e-waste drives are organized programs that provide residents with a simple and convenient way to recycle unwanted electronics. Some communities host annual or seasonal collection events, while others offer permanent drop-off locations throughout the year. Regardless of the format, the goal is the same: to give people a clear and reliable option for managing electronics responsibly. These programs are often supported through partnerships between local governments, environmental departments, schools, nonprofit organizations, community groups, and licensed recyclers. Each partner plays a role, whether by providing collection sites, promoting the event, or helping manage the collected equipment. Most collection programs accept a wide variety of electronics, including computers, televisions, monitors, printers, mobile devices, gaming systems, audio equipment, networking equipment, cables, and accessories. By making collections simple and accessible, municipalities encourage residents to recycle devices instead of leaving them in storage or disposing of them improperly. Convenience is one of the biggest factors influencing whether people choose to recycle their electronics. Even residents who want to do the right thing may delay taking action if the process feels confusing or inconvenient. Questions about accepted items, collection locations, or operating hours can discourage participation. Successful municipal programs remove these barriers by providing clear, easy-to-understand information before every collection event. Residents should know exactly where to go, when collections take place, and which electronics are accepted. Using familiar locations such as schools, community centers, or municipal buildings also makes participation easier. The process doesn't end once electronics are collected. Devices should be evaluated for reuse, repair, refurbishment, or responsible recycling. Creating a complete and well-organized system helps residents feel confident that their unwanted electronics are being managed appropriately from beginning to end. Even the most organized collection program will have limited success if residents are unaware that it exists. Public awareness campaigns play an essential role by educating communities about electronic waste and encouraging responsible participation. Many people recognize large items like computers and televisions as e-waste, but overlook smaller electronics such as cables, routers, gaming accessories, keyboards, and connected devices. Awareness campaigns help people understand that these products also require responsible management. Education also helps correct common misconceptions. A broken device may still be repairable, reusable, or contain materials that can be recovered through recycling. Likewise, electronics should not be treated like ordinary household waste. By providing clear information about local collection events, accepted items, and recycling options, municipalities make it much easier for residents to take action. Over time, these campaigns help build better habits. People begin considering repair, donation, or reuse before replacing electronics, creating a stronger culture of responsible technology management. Building awareness requires reaching residents through multiple communication channels. Since no single method reaches everyone, successful campaigns combine digital, print, and community outreach to keep electronics recycling visible throughout the year. Social media allows municipalities to announce upcoming collection events, share reminders, answer common questions, and explain which items are accepted. Municipal websites can provide more detailed information, including event schedules, recycling guidelines, and year-round disposal options. Keeping this information current helps avoid confusion and builds public trust. Traditional communication methods remain just as valuable. Local newspapers, radio stations, newsletters, flyers, libraries, schools, and community centers all help reach residents who may not regularly use social media. Educational workshops add another layer by allowing people to ask questions and learn about repair, reuse, refurbishment, and responsible recycling. When these communication efforts work together, they do more than promote a single event. They help create a community that understands the importance of responsible electronics management and feels confident participating whenever collection opportunities become available. Municipal e-waste programs provide important environmental benefits by keeping electronics out of traditional waste streams and directing them toward more responsible management. Electronic devices contain a mix of metals, plastics, glass, wiring, and other materials that can often be reused or recovered instead of being lost through improper disposal. By providing convenient collection opportunities, communities give residents an easy alternative to throwing electronics away. Some collected devices may still be suitable for repair or refurbishment, while others can be recycled to recover valuable materials for future manufacturing. These programs also help reduce the amount of bulky electronic waste entering landfills and discourage illegal dumping by offering clear local disposal options. As participation grows, the combined efforts of hundreds or thousands of households can make a significant contribution toward reducing waste and supporting a healthier environment. An electronic device that is no longer useful to one person may still have value. Some products can be repaired, refurbished, or donated, allowing them to continue serving another user instead of becoming waste prematurely. When a device has truly reached the end of its useful life, it may still contain valuable materials such as metals, plastics, glass, and electronic components that can be recovered through responsible recycling. Recovering these resources helps reduce unnecessary waste while making better use of materials that have already required energy and resources to produce. Municipal programs encourage residents to think beyond simple disposal by considering the full life cycle of technology. Whenever possible, repair, reuse, and refurbishment should come first, followed by responsible recycling when continued use is no longer practical. Municipal e-waste initiatives give residents a direct opportunity to take part in protecting their local environment. Instead of wondering how to dispose of unwanted electronics, community members can bring them to organized collection events where responsible management becomes simple and accessible. These events often involve families, schools, local businesses, volunteers, and community organizations working toward a shared goal. As more people participate, responsible electronics recycling becomes a community habit rather than an individual effort. Collection events also create opportunities for education. Residents can ask questions about accepted items, repair options, reuse opportunities, and what happens after electronics are collected. These conversations help increase public understanding while encouraging continued participation in future events. Schools play an important role in helping future generations understand responsible electronics management. Since technology is part of everyday life, teaching students about the life cycle of electronic devices helps them recognize that responsible management continues long after a product is purchased. Educational activities such as classroom discussions, presentations, awareness campaigns, and school-supported collection events make the topic more engaging while introducing students to concepts like repair, reuse, refurbishment, and recycling. The impact often extends beyond the classroom. Students frequently share what they learn with their families, encouraging parents to recycle or properly manage electronics stored at home. By partnering with municipalities and community organizations, schools help strengthen local e-waste programs while building long-term environmental awareness. Successful municipal e-waste programs are built through strong community partnerships. Local governments can accomplish much more by working alongside schools, libraries, nonprofit organizations, community centers, businesses, and volunteers. Each partner contributes in different ways. Libraries and community centers can display educational materials and promote upcoming collection events. Schools help connect with students and families, while nonprofit organizations and businesses expand outreach to different parts of the community. These partnerships not only increase public awareness, but also strengthen programs by sharing resources, communication channels, volunteers, and expertise. Working together allows communities to reach more residents, improve participation, and create long-lasting programs that encourage responsible electronics management throughout the year. While municipal e-waste programs provide many benefits, they also face several challenges. Funding is often one of the biggest obstacles, as collection events require planning, staffing, transportation, equipment, and public outreach. Limited resources may reduce how often communities can offer collection opportunities. Public awareness is another challenge. Even a well-organized event may have low participation if residents are unaware of it or unsure about which electronics are accepted. Clear communication and repeated reminders are essential to encourage involvement. Technology also continues to evolve. As new devices enter the market, educational materials and collection programs must adapt to include products such as smart home devices, wearable technology, and connected appliances. Successful programs require ongoing planning, community partnerships, and continuous education to keep pace with changing technology. The most effective municipal e-waste programs are built on consistency, planning, and clear communication. Regular collection schedules allow residents to know when recycling opportunities will be available, making it easier to set aside unwanted electronics instead of storing them indefinitely. Communication should begin well before each event and clearly explain accepted items, collection locations, operating hours, and any preparation requirements. Providing simple, easy-to-understand information helps eliminate confusion and encourages greater participation. Equally important is what happens after collection. Residents should have confidence that their electronics will be evaluated for reuse, refurbishment, or responsible recycling. When education, accessibility, organized collection, and responsible processing work together, municipalities create a complete system that supports long-term community participation. The future of municipal e-waste management depends on more than collection events. Since electronics are purchased, repaired, replaced, and retired throughout the year, communities benefit from ongoing education that helps residents make better decisions at every stage of a product's life cycle. Digital resources, social media, workshops, and community outreach can provide year-round guidance about repair, reuse, donation, refurbishment, and recycling. Encouraging these practices helps reduce electronic waste before it is even created. As technology continues to evolve, successful communities will combine education, convenient recycling opportunities, and strong partnerships to build lasting habits. Helping residents understand why responsible electronics management matters is the key to creating a more sustainable future. Electronic waste is a growing challenge, but meaningful solutions begin at the community level. Every home, school, business, and organization eventually has electronics that are no longer needed. Some devices may be repaired, reused, or refurbished, while others require responsible recycling at the end of their useful life. Municipal e-waste drives and public awareness campaigns make responsible electronics management easier by giving residents convenient collection opportunities and the knowledge to make informed decisions. Together, these efforts help recover valuable resources, reduce waste, and support healthier communities. At eSeer, we are committed to helping communities manage end-of-life electronics responsibly. By combining education, accessible recycling programs, and responsible technology management, we can all contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable future.